How can we make payments using Klarna? Essentially, it's incredibly straightforward. Visit ironosatemo.com, select the product you wish to purchase in installments, say for instance that backpack. Upon adding it to your cart, the site displays the payment details next to the price. For example, you'd pay 4.71 today using Klarna and Escalapay. However, let's concentrate on Klarna for now. Here it tells us pay in 3 interest-free installments with Klarna. Okay, well, 4.71 is fine. For 3 months we would have to pay. And how do we do this? Well, we would add it to the basket, okay? And once this is done, well, what you would have to do, okay, is, well, we are going to process the order and, well, it will put you there, well, to be able. Can you pay with Clara? Goodbye.